today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a multiplayer Minecraft world. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and look up aternos.org. Then once you're here, you're going to want to sign up. So let's just click sign up, create a username, agree to the policies, and then click next. And you just want to create a password, then just sign up. Then once you're here, it immediately brings you to servers. So just click create a server. This would be the server name. You could always edit it, but let's just click create. You can also do Java edition, so click the Java edition. Then it says backup your servers, but you don't have to, but I do recommend it. So you can just connect it to a Google Drive, but for now let's just hit skip. Then once you're here, you officially have your server. So this is gonna be the address. So you just hit add server, and then you just put the address, and then you just click OK. But you first have to start it. So currently it's offline, so let's just click start. Make sure that accept the ELUA or whatever, then it will start. You can also change the versions and change the type of software, and I believe you can add mods to this, so it's such a cool software, not gonna lie. Aternos. Let's just wait for it to load. Then it'll have this blue bar, so you just wait for it to fill up. So once you hear that wonderful noise, it means your server is online. One way I realize how you can actually keep it online 100% is you join the game. So you just click add server and then you join the server. Then you just have an AFK account just auto clicking. And then if there's someone in the game, it can't like turn off. But currently there's a time limit for only 5 minutes. But if someone's in it, it can't shut off. So yeah, guys, there's a maximum of 20 players and this is such a great company.